Okay guys, this is what I'm trying today. It's this apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse. And it says once you put it on that you're supposed to let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. Now I really love apple cider vinegar because, as we all know, it is wonderful at cleaning, clarifying your scalp and your hair. And your scalp can have quite a bit of buildup due to all the products we use. So after I use that, I'm going to go in with the intensive conditioning system, or what is it called? Intensive conditioning treatment by Creme of Nature. And some use it as a just regular conditioner, some use it as a deep conditioner. I've used it as both. Today I'm going to use it as a regular conditioner because I'm using something else as my deep conditioner. So we'll see. Okay guys, so this product actually smells pretty good. Smell the argan oil in it, but don't get it twisted. It still has apple cider vinegar in it, and as I just personally experienced, it got in my eye. Y'all, my scalp just went to the spa, and I ain't mad at all. Y'all, it's gone, it's gone. But look at his hair though. Love it. Okay, now I'm going to need y'all to go and support my girl and fellow Naturalisa, the Stacy Foster channel. Whether you are looking for weight loss advice, considering gastric bypass, or you're married, a mama, she's uplifting, supportive, and will always give you advice that we all can relate to. Please, I'm going to need you to please go check her out and subscribe, because around here, queens support queens. The Stacy Foster channel, y'all.